Okay, love bugs, summer's here. I mean, not literally, but I think we have like maybe 2 weeks until summer is here, and I'm super excited. I love a good cut, a short cut in the summertime. Today I've teamed up with Unice, and they sent me over this beautiful 16-inch Yaki straight asymmetrical little shortcut. I feel like on this side it gives a little bit of vibe, but then you get a little bit of like cut and layers, so it's not a bob, but it is a bob. I just love it. Now this is the sassy mama you bring to the pool party, the day party, even wear her for brunch. She's good for church, she's good for the soccer mom and the dance mom, just all of the things. And this is the 13x4 pre-everything lace wig. She does include the drawstring in the back, so you can kind of zip it up anytime you need to get it really snug. She also included the nice pre-cut baby hair, which you can keep or take away. And as a bonus, she does have the ear tab wig tape underneath, so if you want to just peel, stick, and bond her down, you are definitely good to go. So today we're going to be doing a nice, simple, and easy beginner-friendly install where we bond her down with a non-glue adhesive. We're going to go ahead and tint the lace, and I'm going to go ahead and bring it out with a little bit of curl action. You guys are definitely going to want to add to cart when it comes to this one. She's absolutely gorgeous and a showstopper. I mean, I only went out for about 3 hours to take the girls to dance, and just in that time of running errands to grab cupcakes and goodies for the girls at the dance studio to celebrate Dakota, I got so many compliments. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave all the details on this one down below, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, happy Thursday to me, and happy whatever day it is for you, wherever, whenever you are watching this video. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday, May 28th. My middle child, my big girl, my princess, turned 8 years old. So we spent the day at Universal Studios, and today we had like a family party at home. I like to always decorate the house, no matter what is going on in the world. Even if we have like a big party like at somewhere else, like at a location, I like to come home and like set up a space that makes a person like at least be able to soak in it being their special time for like the week, like a bunch of balloons around the house and whatever else I can get. So I'm super excited about that. But today we have to go back to dance. She had the day off. It's 3:02. We're gonna leave at 3:15, and I am trusting Unice as always to get me in and out the house or in and out this chair in 10 minutes or less so that I can still brush their hair. They got their hair pressed yesterday. Of course, it's in an afro now, but they're excited to have it down, so gotta find them a natural stylist, but that's another talk for another day. This here is our beautiful girl. We are going with a pre-everything wig, and she has a cute little curl to her. She appears to be like a Yaki texture, and we have some curls in there, really nice and sassy. The hairline is a frontal, so this is a pre-everything lace wig. You have the pre-plucked lace, pre-bleach knots, the pre-plucked hairline. It's set as like a curved side part, and it's the perfect curved side part. We're giving like a shortcut, very much mamiana. Even if you're a younger girl in your 20s with no kids, this gives like that sexy, classy birthday hair with that beautiful, like stunning gown. Here's a look at the inside construction of the cap. As promised, this is a frontal, and it's a free part frontal, which means you can part any and every spot of this that you want. They also included that ear tape on the side. Typically, I don't like to use tape or glue with my wigs, so I may give you a little demo, but I'm probably gonna lift it right up and take it out because I like to have no ear tabs and have my hair behind my ear. This here is the adjustable and removable elastic band. I love this because it gives a little extra support, so if your wig goes flying, this is kind of like the reassurance that it's not gonna come all the way off. And then at the nape, you do have a larger comb. You also do have your adjustable straps, and then you also have the drawstring. The drawstring is very simple and easy. You grab it at the end, you grab the stopper, and you literally, I'll show you, can just pull and like pull. And literally, look how small. Look at how small. I mean, this is like newborn baby size. Like, you can literally get it as small as you need. So without further ado, I know today we are going to be doing some edges, the dynamic duo. I think we turned everything off. How convenient. Okay, so really quickly, I'm going to fire up the electric hot comb so that we can do the dynamic duo, which even if we don't need it, it's just a creature. I'm a creature habit and I'm going to do it. Then I got the blow dryer back set up because I used it on the girls, and my curling iron. Now it is 3:06. Let me get you guys fired up and let's get out the door. Ooh, better than expected. So this is what she looks like on. This is a look at the hairline. First of all, you gotta pull that back. So this is what the sides look like. As I mentioned, this is a frontal with the ear tabs. So let's just go ahead and get her started. Don't step on the trail.
tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo, tempo? Yeah, yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, love bugs. So we do have some pre-cut baby hair right here, and I love that for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and play with that really quickly, but it is time to go because Dakota's calling me.
I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth, yeah. I just caught a groove, yeah. This right here, that Charizard, the fire in the booth, yeah. Had to go right back to it, yeah. If you ain't talking about money, please save your breath, don't bring it up to me, yeah. I pull up in that stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie, yeah. Hey, don't slip on the trip, no, 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 no. Don't slip on the trip, don't slip on the, don't slip on the. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, tempo. You keep up with my tempo.
Okay, it is time to go. I'm feeling myself. I'm going to touch up the rest of the curls off camera, and I will see you guys in the next clip.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown.
Okay, love bugs, we are home. I went ahead and did a quick refresh on the hair. Mind you, I started at about 3-ish. Now we're back to business. I came home and I went ahead and just curled the hair around. Now, if you really want some tight curls, I would go in with a smaller barrel or even a wand curler. And I may even pin curl each curl because this is more of like a Yaki texture. I knew that it was gonna drop perfectly exactly how I like it. Now, this side came out a lot better, or my favorite side, than this side. This side is kind of like the support side. Whenever you have like a bang, this side is always like main character energy, and then this side is just like the support system, if you will. And she's gorgeous. And then this is what the hairline looks like. I love the fact that they kind of pre-styled the sideburns or the baby hair for you guys, and it looks absolutely perfect.
Before the clock runs out, sun is shining but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's
Okay, love bugs, so for our style today, we did a quick low pony. You guys know I love the clip action, but a low pony, never sleep on it, especially when you have a shorter look. And to kind of camouflage everything, you kind of leave some bangs down. You kind of do them intentionally, where you like strategically pull some bangs or some, you know, just hairs, stray hairs down on purpose, but then it gives the like not on purpose look. And I love this. It's like very effortless, sexy, pretty, you know, very girly girl. And this is what she looks like from the back. Don't judge, because I haven't even pulled it down yet. Speaking of pulling it down, we can go ahead and take the same pony, clip it into like a little bun so you guys can see. This is what the back looks like right now. I forgot to show you guys the drawstring, so here I'm showing you guys. You kind of just grab it, grab the stopper, and pull as tight as you want. You can go ahead and flip it back under, take it down, and just like that, you are good to go. Also, if I didn't show you guys, this is what the hair looks like from the back. We did just put a scrunchie in it, so if it's a little bit crimped, I apologize, but you guys get the picture. And now we can get back to the rest of the video. So as you guys know, this one came from Unice, and this is the packaging. Inside, we did get some goodies, so let's go over it. Let's get into it, babes. This here is the packaging. You know, lets us know we're dealing with a 14-inch 13x4 pre-everything lace wig. The wig was disinfected, and this is the packaging the wig lives in until it comes to you. From there, we did get a sheet of the pre-everything wig tape. We love this. We love to use this to go ahead and bond the wig down right should you like the glue. And these are awesome. You guys seen this one has the wig tape inside. So if that's your jam, you can go ahead and switch it out as needed to get a fresh, you know, little routine going whenever you wash your wigs, and you're able to re-add a fresh one in there. We also got a pack of HD wig caps, and these are from the brand Unice, so they're exclusive to the Unice, and you can get them only on Unice website. We also got a wig band, and this is essential for melting that lace. I did not use mine today, but I can promise you I would even love this more if I would have had a few minutes with this on the hairline. And last but most certainly not least, we also got the baby hair brush. I love this one because it does have that red tail comb on one end, the brush and comb on the opposite, and it also includes a bonus brush. So when this one gets all sticky and cakey from the spray mixed with the gel and the edge control, you can go ahead and switch it out. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.